Agricultural Revolution. The agricultural revolution marked the first major transformation in human history and began around 10,000 BCE. Before this period, humans lived as hunter-gatherers, relying on hunting animals and collecting wild plants for survival. This lifestyle required constant movement, as resources would eventually be depleted in any given area. Because food availability was unpredictable, populations remained relatively small and communities were loosely organized. Over generations, humans began to observe patterns in nature. They noticed that certain plants grew again in the same places, and that animals could be controlled, bred, and kept nearby. This gradual accumulation of knowledge led to the domestication of plants and animals. Early agriculture emerged independently in several regions, including Mesopotamia, the Nile Valley, the Indus Valley, China, and Mesoamerica. Crops such as wheat, barley, rice, and maize became reliable food sources, while sheep, goats, cattle, and pigs were domesticated. Farming allowed people to remain in one place year-round. Permanent settlements replaced temporary camps, leading to the formation of villages and, eventually, towns. Food surpluses meant that not everyone needed to farm. Some people became craftsmen, traders, religious leaders, or administrators. This division of labor increased productivity and complexity, but also introduced social hierarchies. Land ownership became central to power and wealth. Those who controlled fertile land gained influence, while others became dependent laborers. Dense populations led to the spread of disease, and diets became less varied than those of hunter-gatherers. Despite these drawbacks, the agricultural revolution laid the foundation for cities, governments, organized religion, and civilization itself. Scientific Revolution. The scientific revolution began in Europe during the 16th century and fundamentally changed how humans understood the universe. Before this period, knowledge was largely based on ancient authorities such as Aristotle and religious teachings. Questioning these ideas was often discouraged, and learning focused on preserving tradition rather than discovering new truths. This began to change as scholars turned to observation and experimentation. Nicolaus Copernicus proposed that the Earth revolved around the Sun, challenging the long-held geocentric model. Galileo Galilei used the telescope to observe the heavens, providing evidence that supported this new view. Johannes Kepler described planetary motion mathematically, and Isaac Newton later unified these discoveries through laws of motion and gravity. Science increasingly relied on measurement, experimentation, and repeatable results. New instruments such as microscopes, barometers, and improved clocks allowed for greater precision. Knowledge became something that could be tested and corrected rather than accepted without question. This approach transformed astronomy, physics, biology, and chemistry. The scientific revolution weakened traditional authority and encouraged critical thinking. It reshaped education and influenced philosophy and politics. By emphasizing reason and evidence, it laid the intellectual foundation for the Enlightenment and the technological advances that would follow. American Revolution. The American Revolution emerged in the late 18th century as Britain's North American colonies sought independence. Although the colonies were economically successful, they lacked political autonomy. Britain imposed taxes, trade restrictions, and laws without colonial representation, leading to growing frustration among colonists. Ideas from the Enlightenment played a crucial role. Philosophers argued that governments existed to protect natural rights and that authority came from the consent of the governed. These ideas were embraced by colonial leaders who began to question the legitimacy of British rule. In 1776, the Declaration of Independence formally announced the colony's separation from Britain. The war that followed was long and uncertain. The colonial army was smaller and less equipped than Britain's forces, but it benefited from strong leadership and local support. France and other European powers aided the colonies, seeing an opportunity to weaken Britain. Civilians contributed through supplies, intelligence, and resistance. After victory, the United States created a new political system based on a written constitution, checks and balances, and elected representation. Although rights were limited to certain groups, the revolution demonstrated that imperial rule could be challenged and reshaped political thought across the world. French Revolution. The French Revolution began in 1789 amid severe economic hardship and social inequality. French society was divided into three estates, with the clergy and nobility enjoying privileges while the third estate carried most of the tax burden. Poor harvests and rising bread prices pushed many into hunger. Inspired by Enlightenment ideas and events in America, reformers demanded political change. When the monarchy resisted, protests escalated into revolution. The storming of the Bastille symbolized the collapse of royal authority. France abolished the monarchy and declared itself a republic. Revolutionary leaders promoted ideals of citizenship, equality before the law, and popular sovereignty. However, fear of internal enemies and foreign invasion led to extreme measures. During the Reign of Terror, thousands were executed in the name of protecting the revolution. Eventually, Napoleon Bonaparte rose to power. He restored order and spread revolutionary reforms across Europe through conquest. Although France returned to authoritarian rule, the revolution permanently weakened absolute monarchy and transformed European politics. Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution began in Britain during the 18th century and transformed production, labor, and daily life. Manufacturing shifted from small workshops to large factories powered by water and steam. Machines increased output and reduced reliance on skilled manual labor. Industries such as textiles, coal, iron, and steel expanded rapidly. Transportation networks improved through canals, railways, and steamships, allowing goods and people to move faster than ever before. Cities grew as rural populations migrated in search of factory work. Living conditions were often harsh. Workers faced long hours, unsafe environments, and low wages. Child labor was common, and overcrowded cities suffered from pollution and disease. At the same time, industrialization generated wealth, innovation, and new social classes. Labor unions and reform movements emerged in response. Governments gradually introduced regulations, education systems, and public health measures. The Industrial Revolution reshaped global economies and set the stage for modern industrial society. Russian Revolution. The Russian Revolution of 1917 ended centuries of imperial rule. Russia was governed by an absolute monarchy, while much of the population lived in poverty. Political opposition was suppressed, and industrial workers faced harsh conditions. World War I pushed the system to collapse. Military defeats, food shortages, and economic chaos led to widespread protests. In the February Revolution, Tsar Nicholas II abdicated, and a provisional government took power. The provisional government failed to solve key issues, including land reform and continued involvement in the war. Later that year, the Bolsheviks led by Vladimir Lenin seized control in the October Revolution. They promised peace, land, and workers' rights. A violent civil war followed, ending with Bolshevik victory. The Soviet Union was established as a socialist state, reshaping politics, economics, and ideology both domestically and globally. Chinese Revolution. The Chinese Revolution unfolded over several decades and concluded in 1949. The fall of the Qing dynasty in 1911 ended imperial rule, but left China fragmented and unstable. Warlords, foreign powers, and internal conflict dominated the country. The main struggle was between nationalist forces and communists, led by Mao Zedong. Peasants formed the backbone of the communist movement, especially in rural areas marked by land inequality. The Japanese invasion during World War II further weakened China. After years of civil war, communist forces emerged victorious. The People's Republic of China was proclaimed in 1949. Land redistribution and nationalization followed, fundamentally altering social and economic structures. The revolution transformed China into a centralized socialist state and ended thousands of years of imperial governance. Anti-colonial revolutions. In the 20th century, anti-colonial revolutions reshaped much of the world. European empires weakened after 2 world wars, while colonized peoples increasingly demanded self-rule. Colonial systems were seen as exploitative and unjust. Independence movements took different forms. India achieved independence through mass protests and nonviolent resistance, while other regions experienced prolonged armed conflict. National identity played a central role in mobilizing populations. New nations emerged across Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. Independence brought optimism, but also challenges, including economic dependency, political instability, and unresolved borders. These revolutions ended the age of empires and reshaped global power, creating the modern world of independent nation-states.